I don't know about you, but keeping my large bakeware organized has always been such a challenge, even with a big kitchen. I thought having more space would solve the problem, but I still found myself struggling. Every time I needed a specific pan, I'd have to dig through a chaotic pile. And let's not even talk about the noise, that loud clatter that makes everyone stop and stare. Yep, that was me every time. It got so bad that I started avoiding certain recipes just to avoid the hassle of finding the right pan. Finally, I decided enough was enough. I came up with a super simple solution that has completely changed the way I store my bakeware. First, I took one of my kitchen cabinets and removed the shelf inside. By doing that, I created a taller space that's perfect for stacking all my larger bakeware, like baking sheets, cutting boards, and oversized cupcake pans in various shapes and sizes. It's amazing how much space you can create by making just one small adjustment. But then I had another problem. Everything kept sliding and leaning over like a game of dominoes. It was almost comedic, watching it happen every time I opened the cabinet. But the cleanup, not so funny. And trust me, I did not want to play that game every time I opened the cabinet. That's when I decided to use book separators. I just placed a couple inside the cabinet and voila. It keeps everything standing upright and neatly organized. Now whenever I need something, I can grab it without causing a mini avalanche. No more bakeware Jenga. It's one of those small, affordable hacks that makes a big difference. Plus, it's so satisfying to open the cabinet and not feel like I'm defusing a bomb. Honestly, it's the kind of thing that makes you want to show off your organized cabinet to anyone who will listen, even if it's just your dog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming kitchen tips and tricks. Do you have a favorite bakeware organization hack or a clever kitchen tip? Share it with me in the comments below. Let's swap tips and make kitchen life a little easier together. On this channel, I love sharing practical solutions and creative inspiration to make baking and cooking more enjoyable. Whether it's organizing your cabinets or whipping up delicious treats, I hope you feel motivated to try something new. My white kitchen cabinets posed another challenge: scratches and damage from pulling bakeware in and out. To fix that, I added clear rubber edge protectors. They come in different colors and clear options, so they blend in perfectly while keeping my cabinets scratch-free. It's such a relief knowing I won't have to repaint or repair my cabinets anytime soon. And let's be honest, who has the time or patience for that? Now my bakeware is organized, easy to access, and my cabinets are protected. I can finally focus on baking without the stress of digging through a pile or worrying about damage. Everything is right where I need it, making the process smoother and even a little enjoyable. Sometimes I catch myself opening the cabinet just to admire how neat it looks. Who knew cabinet organization could be so fun? It's like my little slice of kitchen paradise. I'd love to hear how you organize your bakeware. Got any clever hacks or tips? Share them with me. I'm always on the lookout for new ideas. Your tip might even become my next favorite solution. Since we've got everything organized, let's bake fancy chocolate cupcakes from Cake Mix in my next video. I'll see you there.